Yes, you are continuing here, students. That is the first chapter of this. You have a workbook. You have a long and strong. By using your body parts, measure and write the length of your given parts. Okay, by using your handspan. This is a handspan, students. You should find out your handspan. How much handspan? This is a one. That is a pencil. How much it is? By using the measurements, you have to find out. Okay, and by using the fingers, the length of your this eraser, how much it is, you have to find out. It is in half a finger or a full finger, you should find out. Similarly, for hand span, you have your geometrical box, you have to find out. Okay, and then you have to find out it is your book by using your hand span. And you have to find out by cubit. Cubit means like this, find out in your cubit like this. Okay, fine, like this you have to find out how much it is that by your table. This I'll be giving your notes, that time you come to know what is and all. Okay, fine, student. Here it is the students, that is the route map. Okay, here you will be having a route, a map. In this map, there are four routes for going for school to from Aditya house. Okay, here there is a route map. Here this boy is Aditya. He is going from here to school. Okay, this is a school. Sorry, here it is a school. Aditya school. Here it is your Aditya school. He is an Aditya. He has a different way to go. Okay, student. You have a route A, B, C, D. Okay, which is the smallest way and the biggest way, and you have to find how we have find it for your ant is how ant is moving. Which road is smallest and the biggest. Similarly, Aditya also you have a smallest road and the biggest road, and you have many kilometers in this through that. Okay, fine, students. Let we discuss the first one. Find out the distance from the Aditya school to his home. Why what the different route? The different route. Okay, student. One has been done for you. That is route A is 30 meter. The route A is 30 meter, 15, 12. So totally adding we got a 57. Okay. Similarly, you have a route B 20, 25, 25. 25 plus 25. It is 50. 50 plus 20, it is 70 meters. You have the second one will be having 70 meters. And next we have the route C. Okay, you have a route, this one will be route C. Yeah, 12, 8, 7, 15. You have a 12, 8, 7, 15. Here 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 25. It will be for you people 50. See, calculate 25 plus 15 will be yes 40. Your 40 plus 12 will be 52. Okay, so here this one will be 70, the second one will be 70 meters, and we have that 52 meters from route C. Next we move to the route D. It is 30, 99, 7. So 9 plus 7 it is 16. It is 46 plus 10 it is 56. So here 56 meter. In this, which is the shortest distance from the Aditya school from his home or from his school. Okay, from his school, this is a which one is 52. So route C is the nearest one to go for the Aditya very faster to the school. Okay, similarly you have a different type of the maps, and you have ant maps and a route which will be similar. Similarly you have a different type. Why I'm searching means you require you people to learn it. Okay, student, and which will be the route, and find out which is a meters, centimeters, millimeters, kilometer. First one will be your millimeters, centimeters, meters. Okay, then you go for kilometers. meter. First one will be always meters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Okay, this you should keep in your mind because forever you should not forget. And where are using means in your day-to-day life you are measuring all the utensils, all everything, each everything in your day-to-day life will be using millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometer. How it is millimeters means you have a small things, which small things also will be using a millimeter to measure. Without measuring they can't do anything else. Okay, students. And centimeter also, for example, you have a table, chair, a plate, whatever it is, you will be using a centimeters. Okay, meters while going from one place to next place, from the school class, from the classroom to your school gate, will be measuring. In the ground also you will be playing, no, in the ground in the school, similarly you will be measuring the meters. Okay, and you will be using for your kilometers. From the distance from the Bangalore to Mysore, you can go for the Bangalore to Hyderabad, Delhi, whatever it is there, we will be using a kilometer. These are the units. Okay, these should not forget forever. Okay, students. See, yes, students. So before only I told millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers, right? And you have here, student. First, the problem, that is convert the following into meters into centimeters. First one problem, 7 meters. For the solution, for the max, you will be always having a solution, not a answer. Okay. Here 7 meters, that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That 7 is equal to 7 into 100 centimeters, that is equal to 700 centimeters. So 7 meters is equal to 700 centimeters. This will be your final answer. First one we have to take the problem as it is, 7 meters, and so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You should write, you have to converting, that is meters to centimeter means you have to convert. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, so 7 meter is equal to 7 into 100, it is 700 centimeters. So 7 meters is equal to 700 centimeter. This will be the conversion. And you have similarly the problems like this. Okay, you have 5 meters, 3 meters, 9 meter, 8 meter, 6 meters, 6 meters, 50 centimeter, and here have 4 centimeter, that is equal to millimeters. This I'll be telling and giving. Wait a minute. Okay, student, you have a, first we have meters to centimeters. First you have to take 3 into 100, that is, this is another method. 3 into 100 is equal to 300 centimeters. Similar, 5 into 100, 500 centimeters. 6, 9 into 100, 900 centimeter. Similarly, you have a 7 into 100, 700 centimeter. I'll be telling for you peoples next what you have to do it. CS students. Now I told now, convert centimeter into meters. So 400 centimeter. 400 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. 400 centimeter is equal to 400 divided by 100. So this is a conversion. So 1 by 100 you will be replacing 400 divided by 100. 400 divided by 100, that is equal to 4 by 1, that is equal to 4. So 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter. This is the conversion you will be doing for the next few problems, and you will be writing like this, students. So this you should be specified. See here, 400 centimeter is equal to, you have to convert into meter, means this will be the conversion. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 400 centimeter is equal to 400 divided by 100, that is equal 4 by 1, that is equal to 4. 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter. This will be done. So similarly you have a problem for 400 centimeters and 840 centimeters. You will be having like this. Okay, students. Here you will be having centimeters, meters, or kilometer. You should identify that whether you have to click on that suitable units, that is meter or centimeter, in the given object of the measurement. So width of your mobile width means what, meters or centimeter? It is a centimeters. Okay, length of your shirt will be meter. Width of a max book, it is a centimeter. Length of your mother's pant, it will be centi. See here, your centimeters, meters, and kilometer. For the small distance, you are using centimeters, and for the longer distance, meter. Then little more long distance, kilometer. Okay. Width of your mobile, I explained before also. Now I'll be explain once again. Width of your mobile phone. You have a mobile phone means how much you are which unit you require, meters or centimeter. Yes, it is a centimeters. Okay, okay, student, and you will be measuring your tick as a centimeters. Length of your shirt, it is more than centimeters, so what you require, meters. Okay. Width of your mathematics book means you will be having a centimeter. Width of your mother hand, so length of your mother hand span means that this hand span, it is centimeters. Length of your pencil, this is a small pencil, students. You have a big pencil means it is also represented as a centimeter. Length of your table means at home you have a table, right? That you required meters or centimeters. Yes, it is a meter. So see your students, before only I told it is an, you have a first one, you will be having a millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Small means you have a millimeters. Little more big means centimeters, and little more bigger means meters and a kilometer. Next, little more bigger means kilometer. Millimeter means small things and all will be representing. For bigger than 10 means more than 10 millimeter, we represent centimeter. Centimeter means 100. Okay. And here millimeters more than 100 means will be represented as a meter. More than 100 of 1000 will be represented as a kilometers. Okay, students, you have to find out suitable units for the following. The distance between two railway stations, it is kilometer, meter, or centimeter. It is kilometer. Height of a tree, it is meter. Width, the length of the wall of your classroom, it is meter. Length of your hair, it is a centimeter. Width of your finger, it is an centimeter. This will be there for you peoples. Okay, students, this will be completing your chapter, and you will be representing your notes. Write it down, I'll be sending, and you have any clarification, you can ask through your school WhatsApp number. I'll be clarifying you. Okay, student, thank you.